If you're trying to choose between the ROBOROCK Saros 20 and the Saros 20 Sonic, here's the quick answer. They're almost identical, but the big difference is how they mop. The regular Saros 20 uses dual spinning mop pads at 200 RPM. It's great for everyday cleaning and keeping floors looking fresh. The Saros 20 Sonic, though, uses a vibrating D-shaped mop plate with 4,000 vibrations per minute and more downward pressure. That makes it way better for dried-on messes like coffee spills, mud, or sticky kitchen stains. Now, both models are seriously impressive. They've got 36,000 pascals of suction, an ultra-slim design that fits under low furniture, and ROBOROCK's AdaptiLift chassis, so they can climb surprisingly high thresholds. Plus, both come with the premium dock that washes mops with super hot water and dries them automatically. So which one should you get? Go for the Saros 20 if you want solid all-around cleaning, especially with mixed flooring and carpets. Pick the Saros 20 Sonic if you've got pets, kids, or tougher floor messes and want deeper scrubbing power. Personally, if mopping performance matters most, I'd lean Sonic.